Okay, let's look at Usdchf and see if we can get a trade there today. Okay, what I see right now, okay, we have this bearish move, which needs to come from somewhere there. We can just check with our fib retracements. Okay, we can check this wave like this, or you can take this one. Okay, let's take this one, saying we want to catch this entire move. And you see right now we are at 50% fib retracement. So you can you can just make a zone there. This is a weekly chart, so you might get some more down moves there in lower time frames. Okay, so for now let's just make 78.6 and 61.8. I'm drawing these zones above the current market price because I'm still looking forward to getting this move, this one, okay, because this corrective structure needs to make at least a three wave move, okay, something like this. Okay, so it's gonna make a correction like this one. Okay, so we can check on the lower time frames and see what we get there. Okay, we can go to the daily. Okay, on the daily, what we see is, okay, let me go back to the weekly. I just discovered something. Okay, let me redraw these fib levels like this. Okay, and then let me put in this, sorry, the 38.2, this one. Okay, because we might get a sell trade at the moment. And the reason why I'm saying that is because we still have this move. Okay, and we are currently in a correction for this move. Okay, one of the rules for corrective structures is that for as long as we haven't broken the previous swing high and the swing low, it means we are in a correction for that move. So since we are still within this move, I'm expecting this to play out at least something like this. Okay, and you can see it matches nicely on this support and resistance. Okay, and then from there we will have this three wave move. Then we can look to go up. Okay, let me continue with the analysis. Okay, so we know that our long-term forecast is like this. Let me go to the daily and see if we can find something. Okay, on the daily, I am going to remove this one. Okay, I'm going to hide it. Okay, on the daily, we have broken out of this corrective structure. So we are already on our way down. Okay, let me bring back that move. Okay. Okay, so this is what we are anticipating right now. Okay, we have this move. I don't necessarily have to count these waves because we've already broken out. Okay, on the daily, there is not much. Other than that, we've broken out of this corrective structure. On the 4 hour, let's see what we have. On the 4 hour, we have these impulsive moves that we can catch in the meantime. Okay, so at the moment we we are in a corrective move for this impulse. So we can just draw our entry trend lines like this. Okay, you see we have already broken out and we are in a retest. So, okay, let me hide this. It shouldn't show on the hour. So our short-term trade looks like this one. This is what we are looking for. We're looking for this move to come out like this. And you can see what we got before this sharp move. We had this strong bullish candlesticks, these two candlesticks on the 4 hour, and it looks similar to what we have right now. Okay, so we can go to the 1 hour. Let's see on the 1 hour. Okay, on the 1 hour, since that's where we're gonna be taking our trade, just gonna make these two yellow because my entry trend line is always blue. Okay, so if this trend line breaks this one, okay, if it breaks, we will look to take our entry. Let me see if we can have some support and resistance zones. Okay, you see at 50%, we may draw a zone because you can see it was respected in the past like this. Okay, and for our target, we can just pull our fib expansion, pull from there to there like this, and you can see our 100% level is right there. So our target will be around 0.956. Okay, but your first target will be 78.6. Okay, the 78.6 usually has a higher probability of getting hit than the 100%. Okay, so this is what our trade looks like. Okay, for your stop loss, maybe let's see if we can get another level from this impulse move, because this is another trade on its own, but I usually don't go below the 1 hour because this is the move we are trying to catch, not this one. But to get a nicer entry, we can check this one. Okay, let's see our fib retracement. Okay, you can see the 61.8 is also in confluence with that zone that we drew with on the higher time frame. So your entry is right there. Okay, let me clean up. Okay, your entry is right there. So I'm gonna place my stop loss above this 61.8, or you can make it around, okay, it's already at 78.6. For as long as the risk reward holds, okay, we have 5 and our minimum is 2.5 or 3. You can make your stop around 88.6 so that you let your trade breathe. Okay, so this is what our trade looks like. Okay, this one is for long term. For now, I'm going to hide it. But if the trade reaches this target, we'll still be looking for more downside. Okay, but it's best to have take profit target before the market makes a major retracement. Okay, but if you have more than one entry, you can take profit at this level and allow the other entry to run up until this 0.91 level.